Hey guy, in this tutorial I will explain you how to set up the email. Okay, it's very easy. It's not complicated. Just enable admin email notification and service provider notification, and the sender name, set your sender name. Like for example, I set the bookingo, but here sender email address must like the host name. For example, you can choose my host name is leoncy-web.com, so I will choose contact at leoncy-web.com. So it's very important to send email. You need to select or to what's by English I forget. So I will explain you. For example, if you have a host name like for example your name, your domain name .com, so the email must like that, blah 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 at blah 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 at your domain name.com. So it's very important to work email very good. Okay, so you need to add your host name. Okay, you can change. For example, my host name is leoncy-web.com. You can set admin like this, or you can set blah blah blah. Okay, you can set that you want. I stay in my case contacts at leoncy-web.com, but leoncy-web.com it's very important. So in your case you can choose your host name. For example, your domain name. Okay, so in my case my domain name it's leoncy-web.com. okay, appointment reminder buffer. So set email reminder buffer. This is for the email reminder and the SMS reminder. Okay, you can set, for example, before 4 hours, for example 4 hours. Okay, and in your hosting, in your server you need to add this URL in cron job. So if you can't to set up this option, just for example search in Google how to set up cron job in, for example, how to set up cron job in, for example, in cPanel. You can see here the instruction how to set up the cron job. Okay, select the cron, go to your cPanel and the cron job, and here you can set the time of cron job. Step 3. So here the command, you can add the command, and in the new cron job here you can put this URL. Okay, good. So this is for the email setting. So in email templates you can customize the email template for appointments approved. You can enable it from here or disable it, and you can edit the templates from here. Click on the edit templates, and you can set the message. For example, hi. You can use the shortcode customer name or client name. Okay, your appointment for booking detail has been approved. You can change the text and blah blah blah, etc. It's very easy. Okay, back to templates. And the same, it's for example, appointment rejected by service provider. You can edit it from here. It's not need to explain. You can change the subject, you can change the text and use the shortcode. Okay, just copy the shortcode, for example here. So just click on the shortcode and display it here. Okay, so I will return. Okay, good. So this is for admin service provider email templates, and this is for client email templates. Okay, I will show you reminder SMS. So you need to enable the SMS. So if you display this error, you need just go to email setting, and select appointment reminder buffer. For example, I will choose 3 hours and save setting, and the error message, it's ahead. So this is for this case. So the error message is ahead. So if you want to enable reminder SMS, you need to disable disable SMS service. You need to disable it by clicking on the now. So you need a Twilio account, and put here your account is ID and token, Twilio sender number, and Twilio SMS setting for the provider, and send SMS for clients, and send SMS for admin, and admin phone number. You need to set the admin phone number or your phone number, and here you can set or you can edit the SMS template. So admin notification, you can set here dear admin reminder blah 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 blah, etc. You have here a shortcut. You can use this shortcut to edit the templates easy, and you can see it here for the service provider, and here the shortcut, and here for the client notification, SMS notification, and you can use the shortcut from here. Okay, good. And don't forget to set up to add the this error in the cron job in the service. Okay, so you can set up your service, your cron job service, and add this error to work the remainder SMS remainder. Okay, so I will go to discounts coupon. So if you need to add a new coupon, click on the add coupon button. You can set here your coupon code. For example, I will choose AAA. You can choose you have two options for coupon type, percent or flat. I will choose percent, and you can set here the value of percent. For example, I will choose 5%. How many time do you want to use this coupon? For example, I will set the time. How many time? Okay, I will use it, for example, 10 time. So expiry date, you can set here when this coupon code expired. I will set here in, for example, 21, and you can set here the coupon service. You can set all service, or you can customize for one service. For example, here I will choose tape tissue muscle message for this coupon code for message and generate coupon. It's very easy. Let's go to coupon code, and you can see here the coupon code is generated successfully. So let's go to use this coupon code. Okay, copy your coupon code, and let's go to try book appointments and use the coupon code. What is it? What is the booking bowl? Let's go to home page. So I will try new appointments. I will try to book this tissue, this service. Choose provider. Come on, my connection is very slow because I am uploading a video in YouTube, so sorry. So let's go to book a message service, and duration 1 hour 13 minutes. Next. So select the date, select the time, start time. Okay, it's already in my cards, so I will choose other start time. Next, checkout page. So I will use the coupon code, applique. So you can see here the coupon code is worked. Okay, the coupon code is working very good. So it's working. So I will refresh this page, and the coupon code use it change it from 0 to 1. Good, it's changed from 0 to 1. So I will show you the next setting for the label. So for the translation, you have two options in this bookingo plugin. If you need to translate the bookingo quickly, just go to label from the setting. For example, the text of the step 1 shows service provider and duration. This text you can change it easily from here. And for this text for step 2, select date and start time. You can edit like you want, for example this. So I will update, and I will show you the result. So you can see here the text of second step is changed. So this is for quick translation. Update. So you can change the text of step 3 and the text for the step 4 and the button label shortcode. Book now, you can change it. For example, I have in my demo book button still for all provider. So you can change the text for book the button text. So I will change, for example, I will reserve now. And let's go to try. So it changed quickly, and you have so I will change book now. So you have all label filter provider by location, choose date time provider, choose country. You can change the label quickly and very easy. Okay, and you have other options to translate the bookingo plugin is by editing the file of the language. You have by default English language. Just edit this file and or create a new file by I think by a program edit pod. I have here the POW edit. You can choose POW edit. From POW exists. Choose the language, and you can set here the language, and you can edit the text. For example, coupon code, you can set your language. Okay, and save and save it, and save it, for example, by French. You can set BG minus FR minuscule and slash or cherry, or I don't know what's by English, like this. For example, in French language, you can set BG FR MO. Okay, and the second copy and paste the PO here. This is for the FR, the French language. So I will change this in the English because N so this is for the general translation file. Okay. So now I will show you the form file setting. So go to form file, and you have here a lot of form files. For example, here in checkout, the name, gender, phone, address, zip, city, and scape, and not, and age, it's disabled. So I will enable address and update, and let's go to checkout page. So you can see here the address is enabled. So you can enable other form file, for example zip. I will enable all far file, and you can set the required feature, and you can set the length of minimum length and maximum length from here. So I will enable all form files. Okay, update, refresh the page. Let's go to checkout page, complete checkout, and you can see here it's all form file, it's displayed here. You can select the age, you can select the birthday, you can select the number phone, the gender, male or female, address, zip, city, Skype, not, and agree and term condition. So I will disable address, zip, city, Skype, not, age, and date of birthday. Okay, and update. Let's go to checkout page. So you can see here gender. Gender, where is gender? Yes, is enabled. I will disable the gender. Okay, update. Come on, complete checkouts. So the gender is disabled. So the form file is for the name and email and phone, and agree with term and condition. I think I finish all thing. So you can see here the payments from here. So you can see here all order and the payments method, total amount, transaction ID, discount, partial amounts, etc. You can sit here, you can see here your clients, registered client or guest user, and you can add your clients from here. It's very easy. Export. You can export all provider information. For example, I will export booking information. Just click here and choose your date from 2. For example, from 31. Okay, apply. So you can see here the booking information. It's downloading here. So it's downloaded. Okay, good. So for appointments, you can see all appointments from here. So here all appointments. Past appointments, you can click on the past appointment to show the past appointments. You can see here. Okay, you can cancel or confirm or reject or delete appointments. If you want to reject, you need to add a description, the reason of reject. Okay, what's next? So you can see here upcoming appointments, and from here you can quick view for action pending on appointments. You can click here to see the pending appointment need action. More. You can confirm or reject appointments from here. I think yeah, you can choose appointments, filter appointments by provider, for example by David. We have one appointment for David, or you can select all provider, and you can choose, you can display appointments by list. Okay, this is for upcoming appointments. If you need to display past appointments, you need to click on the past appointment to see all past appointments. Okay, I think I explained all things about this plugin. So if you're happy about this plugin, don't forget to give us 5-star in Code Canyon. To your review is very important to me to create a new version with the new features in the future. So thank you very much, and if you have any problem, contact me. I am very happy to support you without any problem. So thank you very much, and goodbye.